Hi, I'd just like to show you quickly on how to get started with the homework. There's two things that I want to show you. One is how to download the BlueJ assignment and get them going in BlueJ, and the other one is how to use Codecheck. So here in week 2, there's a description of the homework assignment. There are 3 problems, A, B, and C, and then there is this link here for the downloading. So let's do that. So we'll save it here. Right now it saves it in my temp folder. That might be different for you. We'll put it in downloads. Now let's visit the downloads folder. Here is the file that we just downloaded, and we can go ahead and open it with the unzipping program and then extract it. And the directory I want to extract it to is that SJSU directory. Here it is, CS46A, and that should be good enough. And then when we look at the file system, here is SJSU, CS46A, and you probably have already a bunch of extra folders here, but if you see these folders here, then you're all set with the unzipping. Now we go to BlueJ. Here it is, and there you select open project. Now find the same directory, SJSU, CS46A. Let's say we open the first one. Here it is. Of course, there's not very much in here, but now you can get going and start working on it. So I'm just going to do something because we haven't really talked about what it is. You should read through the assignment. It says we're supposed to replace all the is with the, so I might try that. And then I can go ahead and compile. And run my code. It didn't actually quite work so well. So at this point I would probably want to work harder, and I don't want to give away the solution, so I'll leave that part to you. Once you're reasonably confident that you've gotten it to work, then you go to this Codecheck link. That is a part of the problem description down here. So let's click on this one here. And then you get into a very plain web page, and over here you just paste the code, just like what you would have done in Udacity. It's exactly the same backend. Udacity used my thing there. So you'll put that thing in and click on send. And then the code grader grades it. In my unfortunate case, it failed them all. But let's say I did this right. Then it would pass them all. And once you're at this happy stage, then you can click on this download link here. And what you get is a file with extension signed zip. It's a zip file, and you can actually open it. But don't open it, save it. And that's the zip file that you will later submit onto Canvas. Why is it signed? So that we can't have people just open it up and like change all the fails to pass or some such thing, because what's inside the zip file is the report and your submissions, and that's what the grader looks at to see that you did stuff right. That's really all there is to it. So first you download the BlueJ shells, open them in BlueJ, solve the problem in BlueJ. When you're reasonably confident, go to Codecheck, and have Codecheck confirm. Now, what if Codecheck says that you did it all wrong? At that point, what some people try to do is they keep fussing around in Codecheck and treat Codecheck like a mini development environment, and that's probably not a good idea, because you quickly lose track of what you were doing. You don't have any of the support that you have in BlueJ. So really, if it doesn't work, my suggestion is go back to BlueJ and figure out why it didn't work, fix it up in BlueJ, and then when you finally did get it right, then use Codecheck to generate the report to turn it. BlueJ is for coding, and Codecheck is just for the final check and verification. Any questions? Be sure to put those questions on Piazza. So as you can see, there's a whole bunch of questions already, and I fully expect there'll be many, many more questions next week, because those homework assignments are not trivial. They're definitely designed to make you think and make you apply what you've learned. Good luck.